What a nice start to the morning, despite being butchered and having a ladder through them. Decided to bloom. Next up, getting rid of a skip again. And look at this happy man who can't wait to spend the day in the garden. Nice. We love skip day. There's quite a lot going on in the garden today. It'll look completely different by the end of the day, I think. I've put a lot of this stuff up on free cycle. So the sliding glass doors, the garden table from the old greenhouse, the sliding glass doors, the corrugated plastic, a lot of that stuff, as well as the greenhouse glass. So today, you can't really see very well. There are two cypress trees here that they just literally cut in half to keep out of the phone lines, but they've cut them below the crown so they'll never grow. So down here in the ivy, there's just two big stumps. So those are gonna come out. This beautiful little Japanese maple is staying. We genuinely don't know about this one yet. We're gonna talk to the tree surgeon. It looks great when it's actually in bloom. The rest of the year it looks absolute rubbish. We're gonna tear down this shed, which is growing into this evergreen. So we don't know yet, but I'm hoping it will survive, is my hope, because it's got a decent trunk. So if it'll survive, we'll keep it. The dead one behind it will go. This one, also don't know. It's right on the boundary line. It's pushing into the neighbor's garage. It's a beautiful tree, and I hate to have it go, but I just don't know if we can keep it. So we'll see. All these brambles and weeds will come down. This fence is coming down. I'm pretty excited about what will replace it. And we did pull out one little tree that was growing in this corner. Well, growing, it was dead. That was contributing to the fence decay. So there's oh, here it is. That was a tree. But all of this waste wood, I'm using sarcastic air quotes, wood, will become the new fence. So we're putting in a bug hotel fence, basically, for this length, which is 180 times 6. It's too early for math. But yeah, that's the before shot. Looking forward to showing you 8 hours from now what it looks like. Oh, the sun, it burns. It's a shame to take this one down, but it's growing on the boundary line. So it's definitely going to take that shed out at some point. Poor little trees. Well, that already looks like a completely different yard. Be sure to get me right as I gotta blow my nose again.
What mad thing are you doing here, Tanya?
We are cutting off the branches of the tree to put into the bee hotel. Bug hotel. Not just bees, we don't discriminate. But the pine needles are quite acidic, so we don't want those. We just want the rest to give some natural breakdown. This is a great tool, by the way.
You're not having one.
I'm having one.
You're only just winning the nail gun discussion.
I'm having one. Just grinding out the stump of the silver birch. So it just looks a little bit different now. They're pretty much all done except for chopping up some of the logs. Yeah, it's different. Goodbye, little shed. Say hello to oblivion.
I should have memorised some lines from Half-Life at this point.
Or Rocky Horror, you're supposed to say, "Hi, Oblivion, how's the wife and kids?" Yes.
Or the nerdy guy destroying everything with a crowbar.
Oh yeah. So we've got a pile of small branches for the bug hotel, a bunch of big trunks for the bug hotel, and a whole bunch of ivy and grapevine to pull off of this apple tree that frankly we didn't even know it was here because it was hidden behind 3 other trees. Sledgehammer made a nice little dent in that. Although, getting a back sack for all this polystyrene. I saw the world's largest spider in the shed, and I tried to convince Andy that the shed belongs to the spider now, but he's still going. And now I'm really afraid to go over there. So, I'm going to tackle some of this mess instead. I hope he and the spider are very happy together. The shed is indeed technically down. You are a beast.